Hi guys, and welcome back to English with Ask. Today we'll be looking at English greetings, both formal and informal at an advanced level. First, we'll be looking at common English greetings and how to respond to them in a natural way. The polite way to greet someone would be to say good morning or hello. However, in a casual setting, you could say morning. After saying certain greetings, you can put the name of the person afterwards to make it sound more friendly. By saying their name, such as "Hi John" or "Hello Sarah," they are more likely to remember your name, and so I would suggest doing this. Alternative methods to greet someone in a casual setting could be hi or hey. In situations with more than one person, you could say hi guys. When asking someone how they are, a polite way would be to say how are you? However, you could also say how are you doing? How is it going? Or what's up? A polite response to this would be I'm fine thank you, and you? Or great thank you, how are you? It is best to ask someone how they are in return to extend the conversation further. In a casual setting, a perfectly good response would be fine thanks, and you? Or good thanks, and you? Or great thanks, how about you? Depending on your mood, your response to this question may change. For example, I'm okay or I'm a little tired would also be a perfectly good response. What's up is also a greeting that is commonly used. However, in response to this, you would not reply with I'm good or I'm fine. Instead, it is expected that you would reply with a brief description of what you are doing. However, it is also acceptable to just reply, not much, how about you? An example of a common response to what's up would be, not much, just studying, how about you? A greeting you could say to people that you first meet would be, nice to meet you, or it's a pleasure to meet you. However, with those that you have met multiple times, it is polite to say, nice to see you again. How have you been? Is a common greeting used when meeting someone that you haven't met for a long time. However, an informal way to say this could be, long time no see, or it's been a long time, or I haven't seen you for ages. In response to these greetings, such as, how have you been, or how are things, would be, I've been great thanks, how have you been? This will allow the conversation to continue. An example could be, thanks John, things are good, how are things with you? At certain times, it is useful to think about the situation you are in. For example, if it is the evening, it would be nice to say, how was your day? Or if it was the weekend yesterday, you could say, did you have a nice weekend? This way, you can deepen your conversation into your hobbies or pastime activities. When meeting someone that has just returned back from a holiday, it is nice to say, welcome back, and then lead on to say, how was your trip? Or how was your holiday? This will again allow the conversation to continue. At the end of the day, when the conversation had ended, you can say, good night, or see you tomorrow. Alternatives of good night could be sleep tight or sweet dreams. However, only be sure to use these in a casual setting. When saying goodbye, you could say, I had a lovely time, thanks, or it was great catching up. It is polite to thank the other person by saying phrases such as, thank you for inviting me, or thank you for having me, or thank you for coming over. However, you must be aware that when saying see you later, it does not necessarily mean that you'll be seeing them in a short period of time. This is only a phrase that is used as an alternative to goodbye. A similar phrase would be see you soon. If you know the timing you will next see the other person, then you can say phrases such as see you tomorrow or see you next week, where it is clearer. I hope this video has been useful, and remember to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!